Don't fail me.
You gonna help me? I need your help.
Yes, I'll help you once I'm done.
Well, hurry up. So, hello my Disney lovelies. Today we are going to take my beautiful sister's hair and completely ruin it.
Oh my god!
So I do not claim to be a hair artist. I have never claimed to be a hair artist. She did go to cosmetology school.
Beauty school dropout.
She is a beauty school dropout, and we're gonna be turning her hair into Mickey ears. I've got a couple of things here. I got a teasing brush. Is that what that is?
Take the hair off of it if you're gonna show it.
We have a paddle brush that also has hair in it.
Dirty
We got
brush.
a comb that has a couple of broken pieces. We got a butterfly clip. I don't know what I'm gonna use that for, but... And we got a little glass full of bobby pins that I've had since prom.
Ew.
Mind you, that was back in 2012. I got 3 hair ties. 2 really stretched out ones. I don't have any others.
What? Is that the one I was using? Where's the one I was using? You have it?
What?
You took it from me.
Oh, I guess I do. First, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take her hair and we're gonna split it into 2 sections.
It's okay. You know what you can use?
Oh, look at that. Who is she? Oh, this is revolutionary. Why don't people do this more often?
They do.
It's gonna be a lot of editing in this video. So I think it's like all crooked.
You gotta make sure you have a steady hand.
But I don't have that.
It's okay to be rough. Jessie! I have surprises, actually.
Right, I don't got a steady hand. This is gonna be a little wonky part.
I'm surprised you didn't bring out any gel or hairspray.
I'm thinking about it. But I know you washed your hair yesterday, so I
I'll
don't
just wash it again.
So my sister has always been the type to do crazy, funky things with her hair. Excuse you! So I'm gonna take this and really brush out any of your tangles.
Ow. Okay, this is not even the comb you're supposed to be doing it with.
The cracked comb with like 4 missing teeth. So here we are. She's got such beautiful hair. I feel bad doing this to you. But honestly, I don't. Let me put my hair up. Oh wait, I need the 3 hair ties. Go put my hair up because I'm starting to sweat. It's a little hot in this here.
Really? Yeah, I'm a little chilly.
Okay, so we're gonna take one of the hair ties. Now I'm only doing this off of what I think I should be doing. I'm just making it up as I go. I know with Space Sponge you're supposed to put it higher than it's supposed to go, right?
What do you mean?
Don't you put it like higher up? So say if I want the ears to sit here, where would I put this? Maybe
Wait a
like
minute.
Here?
Yeah, because that's where it's gonna sit.
You put it where it sits.
Yeah, no, it's gonna go where you put it.
So we're gonna put it in some cute little ponytails. Oh, look at you with your cute little head, your little ponytail. Can I have your number? Can I have it? Can I have it?
I bought the one that doesn't have blue in them.
Oh God, oh God.
This one doesn't have blue!
It's flavor mixers.
They only have raspberry lemonade, strawberry peach, and orange cherry. We
would
might
you
have
read
to
the
go
back?
back.
We're gonna have to go back to 7-Eleven?
Yeah.
We are social distancing.
What's that mean?
Flatten the curve, Allie, come on.
Well, you know what? You can't expect me to be on here.
We're like 2 polar opposites, my sister and I. Can't wait my hand! Oh no! Don't mess it up! Okay, so then you tighten it.
Oh my God, that's not how you tighten that.
No one said it had to be perfect. Oh my God, I have an idea.
What the heck is that?
Does that look like a mouse ear? Oh, kinda.
Why is my face so red?
You got asthma?
No.
Honestly, this isn't coming out too bad. Oh, it really looks bad from the front. I told you guys, I never claimed to.
What the hell is that? What is that?
Leave that alone. It looks crazy. I gotta tuck the little strays in. Now I gotta redo it.
No! It's okay.
No, it would make this better.
What?
Cabo Fresh.
But if you want to,
I mean,
give me free food.
oh no, Allie. Oh no. Your
Jessie,
hair's
my
not-
hair is dead.
Okay, maybe if I do it like this. And then we just pretend like this back hair doesn't exist.
Yeah, do that and then pull the side.
I can get copyright claims, so please turn this off. So, my card got full because your girl never deletes anything.
You're a hoarder.
I'm a hoarder. Oh, is he approaching? Was that me or you?
That was you.
Your Dasher Michael is approaching. him to leave it at the door, so I gotta wait for him to pull up, leave it, and then leave. Social distancing.
You just like are looking out the window.
I'm doing my part. I'm just standing there at the window.
You're like, and he's like,
waiting for him to go. It's a little far back. Not where I originally wanted it. Michael, where are you? You said you were approaching.
yeah, Mikal.
From a beauty hair standpoint, what would you say? This is a 10 out of 10? Let's see.
Yeah.
That's kind of like a mouse ear.
What you know about me? What you know about me?
He was still there. Now on to piece number 2, because I feel like this is not perfect, but this is about as good as it's going.
Oh my god.
And I'm gonna end up wasting all the bobby pins by the time I get to the second piece.
Oh, when I said you could be rough, I didn't mean stab me in the skull.
You're right though. Here we go. Wait. Oh, okay, I think right here is where.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
How I learned, because I used to do theater, is if it's not scraping your brain, then you're not doing it tight enough.
That is not how that goes.
Oh, there we go.
Amazing. I do not look good with my hair up like this. I need at least a little bit of hair on the side of my face. Is that how we did it? You guys and your Disney.
We are a family-friendly Disney Channel, Annie. Welcome back to the Disney Channel. If only I knew how to edit that in there, I would actually.
That'd be pretty cool.
This one's actually coming out a lot better than the other one did.
Because now you know what you're doing.
Oh my god!
That one's pretty good.
Right?
What happened?
They're sisters, not twins. She's just a little fuzzy is all. Take it and just smooth out the little side. What do you think? You like your little mousies? What?
This would be a cute hairstyle for you at the park.
Hold on, let me make you a little bow out of this.
That is my bro!
Oh, I don't know how to make a bow.
That's so long.
Well, we can get copyrighted.
Can we get copyrighted, buddy?
I don't know.
It's an actual saying.
I've been copyrighted so many times.
Have you?
I have.
Oh my god, for what?
From music that was in the background at the park.
Wow. A bow? Don't ask
Wait,
me.
oh my god, I
you
have
have
a better
bows?
idea. I don't know why I didn't think of this.
Okay. That does not.
And
Jesse.
then you just take this one and make
Jesse.
and tuck.
It's slipping.
What?
Right here?
Your fat head!
My fat head? Sorry, you don't know how to make bows.
Okay,
Alright, wait. Don't tighten it. Okay, now.
and then you take these pieces. And there
Beautiful.
is your Minnie's.
This video is real manic.
A chaotic neutral and a chaotic.
What the heck is that?
Now here's a full tour of her hair.
Ooh.
Have my glasses been this crooked the whole video?
Dusty.
They're broken. I need new ones. I haven't gotten them fixed since the very first vlog I did. So these are her ears. Oh my god. This one's falling apart. And this one's the good sister.
Even the good have their days.
She's messy. She's so messy. Oh, honestly though, it didn't come out so bad. She looks so cute, honestly. This hair looks really cute on you. It's not too far off from your space buns, right?
I don't know.
You gonna rate me as a hairstylist?
The amount of bobby pins that were used. Yes.
Don't she look cute?
Looks like Princess Leia.
Thanks.
They're supposed to be Minnie Mouse ears. I guess they kind of get a Princess Leia vibe, but Princess Leia usually has them here.
That's a Disney movie.
It works.
Actually, your hair?
Yeah. Now tell them to thank the Phoenicians.
Like, subscribe, and thank the Phoenicians.
So thank you for sticking around for this honestly chaotic video. If this video gets even one like, she'll make a YouTube channel.
No, the heck